so warm today. You're right. Shadow? He wants to go outside. That's why he's sitting behind the door. Shadow, it's Elsa. Oh, okay. Don't eat Elsa. Don't eat Elsa. She's gonna pet you. Hey. Shadow, wait. Look at her. Aw, cute. He always wants to eat my hand. Hey, ho, Shadow. You cannot fly like me because I've got ice powers. I can fly with them. Elsa, so why wasn't it in the movie? They didn't want me to do so in the movie. Whoa! Ow! Don't eat me. Okay. I want to pet him in peace. But he always wants to... Ah! How dare you do that to me? Do you know what happens when I freeze people? I'm gonna freeze you if you do that again. Okay, Elsa, don't freeze his heart, please. He's just a cute little puppy. He just wants to play with you, Elsa. Look at him. Okay. Let's go in the freezer, as I said. In the freezer? Yup, Elsa, I think you're correct. Okay, let's go in the freezer. It's so hot. I can't believe you're going to stay in the freezer, Elsa. I'm going to be relaxed. I wish I could come in there too, but I cannot fit, so... I'm going to stay in here, inside of this movable ice maker. I hope you don't turn into ice. Nope, it's going to my bed. And you guys stay here. But I hope you enjoy your stay, and if you feel too cold, you can tell me. Elsa, where are you? Oh, really? She is inside the movable ice maker? I didn't know you would inform me, but thank you. I will go in the movable ice maker too. Elsa, wake up. Oh, should I sleep with her inside of that? Okay. Good night. How's it going? Stay in this door now with this guard. I can't believe you're inside. Oh, the freezer. It's just going to feel so good. Come on, sleeping beauties. Transform into dolls. Time to go in the fridge. It has got lots and lots of food. Egg. Bread. Stay inside. Okay, wait. I'm gonna... Oh, now stay. Transform into talking dolls. And now stay in here, both of you. Huh. Bye, I hope you enjoyed your stay inside the cold freezer and on a hot and sunny day. Let's go. Yeah. Would like to stay here. Me too. Ah, Elsa, I'm shivering. Come on, let's go inside. We will be warm, but it's a hot day. You are confusing me.